Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? Happy New Year to everybody. Just tapping in with the New Year's Day video to get prepared for the last day of trading of the week and the first day of trading of the year, which is going to be Friday. We're expecting low volume. We're expecting to not to be a major day. And if you ask me, the Santa Claus rally was a fake out move this year. They set a lot of traps, played a lot of games, a lot of consolidation, and then ultimately to the downside. This big red daily candle is indicative of that. SPY closed at 681.92, so we're on that downward trajectory. And if we can't get back up here to this 689 area and head towards get 689, 690, then I'm just going to be in a waiting period. So if we broke out, we were above 685, but that didn't last long. So we ended up coming back down. We ended up coming back down from there all the way down here, like I said, where we're at the 681. So with this big body red candle, if we can't hold this 680 area, we can come all the way back down to 670, 676 or lower. So don't want to see that happening. What I think could happen is we could get consolidation in this area over here. We can get consolidation in this 681 to 683 area. If we can get over 683 to 685, then we might be able to start a way back up and take out this big candle right here. But we got to get all the way up here to, like I said, 689 till we have this inside little green candle right here that could be chop or could return us to a little bit of bullish momentum. So it was a pretty crappy week as far as I'm concerned. And for a holiday week, the Santa rally never did pop off, but it could change, it could reverse, and we could head back to the upside uh, tomorrow or maybe next week. So I'm not looking for anything tomorrow. I'm not looking for anything trading tomorrow. I'm just going to watch and see what the market, see where the dust settles, and be prepared for next week. So just kind of like watch this area. If we stay in this chop zone, then the market is not going to offer us very much. But if we can get over 689 next week, even then, that's where I'm going to start looking to start for the market to start making moves back to the upside. So we could be in this retracement zone. We could be in this little down zone. Just the price action is going to be what we follow. The trend is going to be our friend. And right now, it's not giving me any confidence that anything's happened to the upside. Whether it's a spy or QQQ has the same look over here. This big red candle at the end of the day, and it was a lot of red days on QQQ, way more red than green. So until we can get that reversal over on QQQ and get back above 618, this 618, and then hopefully 620 area right here, right around in here where we started breaking down at, then until then it's just going to be wait and see. It's just going to be sit on your hands, wait for the right setups. Don't force any trades. Don't rush any trades. Just be patient. And 2026 is going to be the year of patience, not only for myself, but hopefully for everybody out there that's trying to trade and make some money. Let the market come to you. You don't have to force it. You don't have to rush it. It's going to happen. SPY, QQQ, and I'm gonna keep an eye on Nvidia. I'm gonna keep an eye on Nvidia. Another could be a false breakout. Nvidia went as high as 190, 192 a few days ago. Ended up yesterday as high as 190 and came right back down. So we end up closing at 186. So if Nvidia can't get back up over 188, then we might be in a downtrend with Nvidia also. So the same way that these things go up, they come down. Everything in the market that goes up eventually comes down. But the thing about it is, it's going to go back up. And that's where patience is going to pay off at. So be patient, wait for the market to come to you, and don't force anything. We'll probably have low volume tomorrow. I don't know if anything's going to set up or not. I'm just going to watch the price action and see what the market does. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, the majority of my positions were closed out for 2025. So everything I do in 2026 is going to be geared towards my small account hustle, patience, and perseverance, and just surviving the market. We survived 2025 with all the ups and downs and tricks and traps that the market plays, then 2026 could be a great year for us. So that being said, I'm gonna get on out here, make this one short and sweet, and get ready to see what 2026 brings for all of us. That being said, peace.